Everyone needs this bag. But that's not why we're here. We're here to talk about the Wild Touring King's 30 litre drawer front organiser bag thing. Australian made, Western Australia, I believe. So yeah, a few weeks I've had this. If you watch the install video, use some contact adhesive to stick the Velcro, or hook and loop, onto the front of the drawer. And then the back of the organiser has some heavy duty Velcro on it. And it has not come off once. Yes, I've only been on one camping trip since I installed this. It was last weekend. And the drawer organiser here, drawer front organiser, it's not a drawer, it's a drawer front, drawer fridge front organiser, Jesus. It's super handy. The one thing that we always seem to not be able to find when we go camping is bin bags. And bin bags were living right here the whole time. So regardless of what was going on, how much stuff we had, crap everywhere, we had the dogs with us, our son, camping with other people, a mess everywhere, there's always just stuff. Bin bags. In the front here as well, I'll give you a bit of a tour. So bin bags, sunscreen, very important. My wife and son are both very pale and very light skin, and they burn very easily. So sunscreen needs to be very easy to get. In this tall skinny pocket, I've just got some itch cream. I don't know when this was opened, it's not new by any stretch. It hasn't expired, we're good. Because bug bites, that sort of stuff can just help a little bit. It's been a long time since we've used it. In there as well, yes, this is King's. I do have a fair bit of King's gear, but one of those King's Plus lights with the magnet on the back, I put tape over the magnet so that way when I stick it on my car, I try to just not damage the paint too much, even though it's already trashed. But yeah, that fits in here really nice. This tiny little pocket under the fridge latch where I put in my tape measure, the amount of times I've used this tape measure from here and I've always known where it was has been so good. And the large pocket here, pretty important stuff for sort of everyday day trips, but also camping. Hand wash, antibacterial hand wash, and some hand sanitizer. So when we were camping, we had a chemical toilet. And then, you know, we've got to tap some water and wash our hands right at the back of the ute here, and then some sanitizer as well before you get into the food or anything like that. So having all of those things right here at the front has been so handy. You know, the argument could be made that these items can be stored in another location, like right at the front of a drawer, or maybe in a little section here, or Velcroed up somewhere or whatever. And there's a million and one ways to do things. This is just a way that I try to use up the front of that drawer fridge, and I love it. It's really good. So I definitely recommend this. You know, I talked about in the original video, this is an $85 canvas product for how big it is. So, you know, it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive. So I feel very confident in this, that even just after a couple of weeks, that this is probably gonna stand the test of time. You know, maybe in 3 months' time it looks a bit different, but initial thoughts is it's really great. Also, just to note, this marks on here, this is just from my tailgate, because I've got the fridge as far to the tailgate as I could, just so that way I've got a bit more room up the front there. Yeah, it's only millimeters, but every little bit counts. Yeah, would I recommend this? 100%. Do it. Chuck it on your King's fridge. I know they make it for Evercool, maybe Bushman's, I don't know, all the expensive ones that I can't afford. Maybe one day. Anyway, Wild Touring, you did good, mate.